First kick from the Syrian. All of them, they are going to kick. Go! Syrians pick up the ball. 1-0. Next, coming from Upper Singat. She's not going to miss. Who knows, maybe double goal. Exat Omar! Wow, 1-0. Teachers lose one kick. Second kick is going to take place from the student side. Wow, nice goal. 2-0. Next, teachers. Wow, the captain is going to kick. Come on, an action. We need action. After kicking, who knows? We may not have time to cheer up anymore. Come on, members, remember 2-0. Remember 2-0. Let it make 2-1. Come on, Elise. Yes, come on. Wow. Let the keeper also go. Yes. Wow. Replay. See it. Win is playing. Wow. Win is also against you. Wow. Replay. Yes. Replay. Come on. Yes. Take out. Yeah. Wow. Good. Good, numbers good. The luckiest Pagan who got second chance in a penalty kick. Come on, 2-1. 2 from the Syrian side, 1 from the teacher side. 2-1. This is the third kick. Goal. 3-1. Members exhausted already. Come on, from the teacher side, this is the third kick. They have scored only 1 goal. 3-1 still. 4 down of kicking from the children's side. Okay, keeper change. Okay, for round. Okay, good. 3-1. Goal score 3-1. Students 3, teachers 1. Now, Madam Hakim is coming. Coming from 2 direction, 2 address. So I hope she will put a list. She's half Sisipo, half Talpizo, so she will put. 1-2 exit. Wow, still a miss. Anyway, Madam could not put still and still behind a lot harder. This is the 5th round. 3-1. Goal score 3-1. 5th round kicking. Wow. Goal score remained the same. Now teachers to complete the 5th round of kicking. Goal score students 3, teachers 1. This is going to put, so going to increase the goal. So goal score 3-2. Students 3, teachers 2. The 6th round of kicking from the student side. 6th round. Okay, sixth round of kicking. Martining is coming. Goal score 3-2. Wow, almost a serve. Goal score 4-2. Yes. Now to complete the sixth round from the teacher side, Miss Lucy is coming. Come on, Miss, and to put. Otherwise, double up already. Wow, good. Completing the sixth round of kicking. Goal score 4-3. 4-3. On the seventh round of kicking, students are starting. Good. To complete the seventh round, teacher side, goal score 4-3. Students 4, teachers 3. If you put draw to the seventh round, if you put draw, wow, almost. Now the eighth round from the student side. Last round, come on. This is the last round. If you serve, there is a chance. If you don't serve, students win. Wow, come on, there is a chance to get draw. If you put draw, if you don't, lose. Everything is in your hand. If you put draw, if you lose, students win. Come on, excite, what the? Good draw. You can select keeper and keeper first. Keeper and keeper for the ninth round. Keeper and keeper. Now both are draw. If keeper and keeper will not, then we shall select 3-3 from each side. Come on, Madam, if you serve, there is a chance. Wow, Madam chance. If the Madam put, then it is a draw. If she don't, children win. Come on, put at least. Students are going to win. Wow, draw. Please select 3-3 from each side. 3-3 from each side. 3 players from each side. 3 teachers, 3 students. Let us see. After that, if not, the decision goes to the umpire. Come on. This time, let the teachers kick first. Members don't kick again. Come on. Captain has to kick now. Yeah, no problem. 1 week. You'll be sleeping far away from my room. No problem. Come on. Students keeper. 3 teachers, 3 students will kick. This time, teachers, real teachers only will kick. 3 real teachers, not the students. Come on. Madam Ross, come on. Make it clear. Those keepers, you are not allowed to cross the line before the ball is coming towards you. Come on, yes. Wow, no more win. Good. Yes, student side. I think there will be a chance for teachers to win. How it goes. Wow, draw again. Draw again. 2 round each. After this, the decision is with the umpire. Maybe Latavi or with whistle or I don't know whatsoever. Wow! Students has a change. Teachers 1, students 1. Second round, teachers complete, students at to kick. Come on, if you put, there is a big chance. Wow, draw still. The last 2 kick. After this last 1-1 each. No more kicking. Final decision goes to Sarjon. Otherwise, we may need to kick till the sun coming down. Wow, come on, children, see they put. Children, see they put. You will be the winner. Come on. Sarjon, without making his decision, Diva is the put. Wait, no whistle. Wait for the whistle. Red card, Mummy requesting red card. Wait for the whistle. Come on, Ma'am Krishna, Savage children are going to win. Wow, now the decision is in Sarjon's hand. Sarjon will give, who's the winner?